Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo Essential camera, quick install step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Arlo Essential camera and its components. Ensure you have the camera, mounting kit, and a power adapter at hand. Download the Arlo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log into your existing one. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select camera from the list of options. Choose Arlo Essential from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is near the camera during the setup process. Once connected, you'll be prompted to scan the QR code displayed on the app with the camera. Place the camera in a suitable location, ideally where it can capture the desired area. Use the included mounting kit to secure the camera in place. Adjust the camera angle as needed for optimal coverage. Plug the camera into a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Wait for the camera to complete its setup and connect to your Wi-Fi network. You should receive a notification on your app once the camera is ready. Test the camera by viewing the live feed from the app. Make any necessary adjustments to the camera position if needed. Explore the settings in the app to customize your notifications and recording preferences. Your Arlo Essential camera is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.